Hello friend, welcome to my channel Tech Bidda. Sometimes you are download photo from Chrome browser, but you can't use it with all software. Do you know why you can't use it? Because this photo format is web page format. So in this tutorial today I'm gonna show you how to change this photo format web page to JPG. Before starting the video, I will ask you something. Till if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get my video fast. Okay, let's start the video. I will open my Chrome. If I download this image, you can see the downloaded image format is web page. Okay, let me show you how you can convert this file. Open a new tab, search here Webp to JPG. Okay, now you can see here first one, the website EZGIF. Click on it, scroll down from here. You can see here upload option, choose file, then select your image and then click on upload. Okay, scroll down, click on convert to JPG. Finally, your image is converted. You can also change the format of the image from here. If you want PNG format, you can change from here. Now you have to download this file. For download, scroll down, then click on save. Okay, now you can use it without facing any problem. So friend, if this video is helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Thanks for watching this video.